Here's the new 1840 2020 built small square baler by Massey Ferguson. We're going to do a quick walk around and point out a few points on this machine. So standard with hydraulic density for Australia, just a manual adjustment. You can buy a Jaden in-cab kit to do that from the cab. This is a cammed pickup. Now this pickup is 2.264 metres wide from outside to outside. Workable width is about 1928. You'll see that the augers run backwards from each side. Now they will keep the material fluffed and flowing into the stuffer. That stuffer runs at each plunger cycle, so very effective at keeping the pickup flowing quite freely. Mechanical depth setting, but hydraulic raise and lower on that pickup. Good sized twine boxes holding 5 spools each side. Water drain holes in the bottom. There's still some assembly gear there for pre-delivery. Your twine tensioning system. Quite a long chamber in comparison to competition machines. You can see your hydraulic density ram on the top. It does run some wedges inside. This is your Baler length star wheel. We'll have another look at that on the other side. Knotters are not painted, they're actually an anodised coating, so everything works freely. So this is the other view for your Baler length. As you can see, quite aggressive with the drive teeth. Very nice adjustment. In a position on the chamber where there's no fluctuation from bale bounce, and the length of this chamber ensures that it doesn't bounce. Thermo fan over the knotters, standard. So your flywheel clutch, once again not painted, anodised, just for ease of operation. Very, very simple, clean baler inside. These balers are electroplated, same process as chroming with undercoat. Then they are powder coated. Now that is done prior to the baler being assembled. So all your joins, all your surfaces has undercoat and powder coat under them. Adjustable hitch, several different positions to try and suit your tractor.